everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how can you integrate ClickUp with Trello's Workspace. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Trello's Workspace and then go to your boards in Trello and then move to proceed further. So tap on Power Up, and after opening your Power Up you have to search ClickUp. Now as you can see, this feature is not available in Power Up, so we have to try another way. So for that, let's proceed further. Open a new tab and type zapier.com and open your Zapier website. And after crashing on your Zapier's website, then open Trigger and Actions, and in Trigger you have to search ClickUp. You have to choose a perfect one, and after choosing it you have to click it and it will be applied. Wait a little while I'm choosing it, and I'm done choosing it. So the next step is to choose an event. So choose an event of your desire or your preferable event, and then it will give you an option of continue. Click on it, and now you have to connect ClickUp. So just tap on the sign in button. It will take you to this page. It is now loading. As you can see, you have to write your full name, your email address, and you have to make a password, and then tap on play with ClickUp. Now you have to verify your email. Tap on let's do this and then fulfill all this information. And after fulfilling all this information, you just have to proceed further. Your ClickUp is now ready to use. You can use it. So now it's getting started. Go back to your previous page and then tap on sign in again. It will take you to this page where you can connect your Trello with your ClickUp. So show some patience while it is connecting. You have to select a workspace. Tap on select workspaces and it will take you to your workspaces to make you connect. Now as you can see in your screen, you will find the option of add your workspaces. Now just simply add your workspace or choose your values. Search for your workspace, tap on it, and then tap on continue. Click on text trigger and then it will take you to next step. Now tap on skip test and then again tap on skip test, and now continue. All this information carefully. Scroll down and continue. And now in actions you have to write Trello, and after writing Trello you have to select it, open it. After opening it, it will show you this screen. You have to choose an event according to your desire or your preferable event. Wait while I'm choosing it and then tap on continue. Tap on continue again and then refresh all the fields and fulfill all these fields. And after complete writing this information, you have to write or tap continue. Just show some patience while I'm writing all this information. I just need your 2 to 3 seconds to do that. So after completing all this information, it will pop up a publish button automatically on your screen as you can watch it. So just click on it and it will start publishing it. So that's how you can integrate ClickUp with Trello. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video, and I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. By following these steps, you can integrate ClickUp with your Trello's workspace. Thank you for watching it.